the other day, I decided to get the lawn tractor out. I hooked up the battery, as you can see, and everything was all connected. And then when I went to hit the key, there was nothing. No turner over, nothing. No connection. I figured it was the safety switch that is located under here. If you can see it, right around there somewhere. It's hard to see, but anyway, I'll put a picture of it. There's a safety switch on here for the deck and for the pedal, the brake. So when you engage it, it should start. Well, when I went to do that, I got my hand in there and gauged that and pushed on the switch to see if it would turn on. Nothing. So what I figured out the other day, even though I greased it with the, what do you call that grease? Anyway, up in there, key switch. It's supposed to keep water out, that grease. I'll put in the comments what it is and a picture of it maybe. But now, keys, we got the gas turned off. Its carburetor has no gas in it. That's why I store them in the winter. Nothing in the carburetor. But as soon as you turn the key on, it turns over. So, the conclusion was key switch. I took it out. The male plugs on it were dirty, and the connector was dirty. I used contact cleaner to clean the connector. Cleaned them up with a wire brush on my drill. Hooked it up, hit the key, and it started. The thing runs like a charm. But where she's in the 90s. Like, there's the serial number. I mean, I did an overhaul. You see my other videos on this. What I had to do, change belts. The drive belt had to change. And you see my other videos. I had to change the pulleys, as you can see. New pulleys, new spindles, new blades in there. Hard to see, it's dark in here. Did a lot of work on this. Even put that on it. Spray water while she's turning. Was in the first position. Right down here. All in all, works great. The only thing is, that key switch, even though I put that grease in there to keep water out, with the hot sun, it just drips out and evaporates. Cons of using that stuff. But thought I'd share you a video on my tractor. I'm thinking of paint. I like to paint it. You can see all the rust coming on it. Gray and white. That's the MTD color. Back then in those days, they got new models. It's all paint 10. It's plastic now. This is all plastic. There's the name of it. The only thing is, I don't want to lose the sticker. And I found out the motor to this, it ain't the original motor, because the choke was one of those automatic chokes was put on it. As I show my other vehicles, videos, which I had disassembled, because the carburetor doesn't really go to this. Maybe the motor does go to it, but I don't think the carburetor did. When I got it, it's different carburetor, different setup. Because it has that, probably, whoops, I did it again. Yeah, the string broke off. The wire string. Excuse me. It's one of those days you go take the dog for a walk and come back, wind it. Yeah, so it works, but I really don't like this gear shift way it is. Kind of wish it was up here like my old one was. It gets hard on your hand. But I can't get the tires off the rims off the axles. They're seized on there. Front ones can come off. All of them are tubes now. Now the treads are better than the old tractor I had. This one's easy to operate, but where the exhaust is, when the old exhaust comes out, there it is. The old hot air exhaust comes back on you when you're driving it. Well, I don't know. It's gray. I might like to change the color. I don't know. I might paint it. I'm not sure. And it works for me. Paint it, maybe. I don't know. What do you think? Leave in the comments. Should I paint this or what? Make it look presentable. I know the blades work better, like I said before. And it's got a little pinhole there. Probably what somebody put a piece of rope in there to bring it up and down. Easier to blow out the leaves and grass and stuff when you lift this up. It's got full force up. But it works fine, but I gotta soon take the battery out because I know the battery's getting down. In the cold weather, it's about -9. Not -9, +9. And also, my wagon, the tires seem to go flat on these. I'm got a hole in there now. Once in a while they go flat, especially this one. But that one, there's a hole in there. So, I wonder if this is going to start. Key is. Choke it. Getting exhausty in here. One thing about this garage, it sure knows how to keep the exhaust fumes in. Yeah, I still got the pull stuff out here. I haven't taken it in yet. Don't really care. If it freezes, it freezes. It ain't gonna hurt. It's only half filled. Yeah, they're fine. So I think that's what wraps it up for this I showed you the boots on that before, my other video. Got the boots on. And they're staying on. Better be staying on. I don't like the way those clamps went on. They come off, I'll use a friggin' screw-on clamps. Squish the shit right out. A little dirty. Driving around. Yeah, I got the registration paper for this already. So I'll get this re-registered in December so I can drive it. Skidoo, I'm not sure if we get any snow. Take the plate off of this and put it in Skidoo. Yeah, I didn't say that, did I? So, have a nice day. Like, subscribe, leave comments. Helps out the channel. Share it if you want to another person. Really helps me out. I know it's a boring video, but I thought I'd share what happened to this long tractor. Not impressed. I mean, I laid it up a couple months ago and it decided to mow the leaves down, and this happens. Key switch. I thought it was the safety switch underneath there, and you go to bed and you can, it's all on your brain is what's wrong with this. Come out the next day, clean up the terminals like I said on the battery with my wire wheel and drill, electric drill, and clean the terminals on this electric drill. Spray contact cleaner in there, plugged in, hit the key, started, turned over. So I put it in, and now it starts. Don't figure. Must have happened when I pressure washed it. With all the other machines I had, this was encased inside, but this one's not. It's all bare. Well, I'm done gabbing. You guys have a nice day. Like, subscribe, comment. Like I said, helps out on my channel. I have 91 subscribers now, but I know some of my videos are way up there. So if you watch my videos, please subscribe, leave a comment, do a like, helps out my channel. Like I said, leave a comment if you want me to put some paint on this, clean her up, make it look nice, presentable, like a brand new machine like it used to be. So if I do, that sticker is gone, so I'll just get rid of that sticker and repaint all this shit. So, anyway, check you later. Peace.